The task manager in Windows 11 is broken and you should avoid using it. If you don't, then this is gonna happen. The task manager will take over your Windows. So what's happening is that every time you open the task manager and close it and open it again, Windows is duplicating the task manager and it's not closing it properly. Okay, so this is how many times I opened task manager, and if I open it again, yeah, more task managers will pop up here. But don't worry if you don't have this update installed. If you have this update installed, KB5067036, then you'll have this issue, the duplicate task manager. This is actually a big update for Windows 11 25H2. There is a gradual rollout for the new start menu, this one, okay, and there are many other new features and improvements. But this also came with this bug where the task manager just cannot be closed. It will duplicate itself every time you open the task manager. So if you open task manager too many times, it can hurt the system performance because it's going to use the RAM. Okay, and you can see it's also using the CPU. Just multiply the CPU usage by how many times you have opened the task manager. Once it uses CPU, all of the task managers will start using the CPU. Okay, so it can hurt your PC's performance badly. Now, the only way to fix this is to restart your PC. If I try to end the task here, can I? Yeah, you can. So yeah, you can also right click on the task manager that are running in the background. Make sure that you don't close the top one where it says apps. Okay, so yeah, you go there, end the task if you have too many task managers opened. Now, this update is a good update because it's coming with the new start menu and there are many new features. But you can see here, this is a preview update. That means it's not a stable release, but it is available for the Windows 11 25H2 stable. If you go into the Windows update, if this thing is turned on, get the latest updates as soon as they are available, then you get these preview updates early. You know, if you want the stable Windows 11 experience, you should actually turn this off. Since I make videos, tutorials, so I try to keep up with the new updates and everything so I can make videos about it. So that's why I have this thing enabled. It's optional, you don't have to enable it, but if you want to try new features early, yeah, you can turn this on. But if you prefer this stability, you just don't want to get these types of bugs and issues, you should turn it off. And it was installed almost a week ago on my system, and this issue still hasn't been fixed by Microsoft. Maybe the next update will fix this. So yeah, if you have this update already installed on your system, yeah, don't use the task manager. If you use it, make sure to go and clean up the previously opened task manager. Now, one of the best thing about this new update is that it has fixed almost decade-old bug. So the thing is, I have also noticed this and I have also done this. You know, sometimes we get the Windows update and I have done this like, I just don't want to use Windows. I'm just gonna update the Windows and shut it down automatically. We have that option here. So update and shut down. We have that option in Windows, but it never shuts down. It will restart the PC, even though the option says shut down after a update. So it looks like this has been fixed. This is a really old bug in Windows, and finally it is fixed. Now you can update your computer and then it will automatically shut down. Imagine you have 15 or something task manager opened and you're playing game. You know, task manager will randomly use the CPU to monitor your system, what's going on and all that. So imagine all those task manager using huge amount of CPU suddenly in middle of game. Yeah, your PC might crash or your game might freeze or something like that. So yeah, this is actually pretty annoying issue if you use task manager too frequently and you have this update installed. And I'm aware of it, so I'm just gonna wait for the new update to arrive, which will fix this issue. But yeah, I have to keep my hands off of Task Manager for now, or I'll have to clean up the Task Manager every time I'm doing some heavy work like editing or gaming or something. So yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.